So here I've got the Kwikset Powerbolt 250, and in this video we're going to be testing this lock just to show you how it works. So maybe you're looking for a good quality keypad door lock, you want to check it out, link in the description. So I want to show you how this lock works. As you can see, I already have this installed, and the installation process is quite simple. You only need a Phillips head screwdriver to get it installed, and the lock runs on battery power right here. So you can see the batteries in here. It uses 4 AA batteries, and the batteries can last up to a year. Alright, so after installing this lock, what you want to do first is to run the door handling detection. You want to teach the lock the orientation of the door, as the lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. So right after installing this lock, what you want to do first is to remove the battery cover. And what you want to do next is to press the programming button. This is the programming button right here. So you want to press it once. Now you want to go back to the keypad. So what you want to do next is to press 0 and hit the Kwikset button. Alright, so what you've just seen here is the door handling process. The bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. So that's it. And what you want to do next is to set user codes. A user code for this lock is a 4 to 8 digit code that you can use to unlock your door from the outside. And this lock allows you to add up to 25 user codes. You can share these codes with anyone you want to give access to your home, and you can also remove any code you don't want. Alright, so let me show you how to add a user code. The first thing you want to do is to go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. And what you want to do next is to press 1 and hit Kwikset. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit Kwikset. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been added. So let's test it. Hit this Kwikset button to lock. Alright, and to unlock you want to enter your code. So that's how it works. And as I said earlier, this lock allows you to add up to 25 user codes. So you can repeat the steps to add more user codes. And if you want to remove a user code, what you want to do is to go back to the interior assembly and press the programming button. And what you want to do next is to press 2 and hit Kwikset. Now enter the code you want to remove. Hit Kwikset, enter the code again. Hit Kwikset. So that's it. You're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here on this button here, meaning the code has been removed. So let's test it to confirm. Hit this button to lock. Now to unlock, let's enter the code we just removed. So you can see it's no longer working. Now let's enter an active code. So that's it. And this lock has several other features such as auto lock. You can set auto lock, you can set a one-time code, and you can also turn off the keypad sound to enable silent mode. You can also enable a programming code or reset the lock to factory defaults, and that's going to remove all the existing codes so you can set new ones. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to explore other features in this lock, I have the link to the full programming video in the description of this video. Alright, so you can check it out to see how to program other features in this lock. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.